So here we have our tissue. Let's pack. Let's unpack. So here I have my pasta. I have pasta just free pasta, tagliatelle. So right now, Nigerian mom will start arranging our merenda as usual. What did you do? Look, we got here to have tiramisu. Tiramisu. Our camera girl, and our confidence. So as usual, it do. That's for Washington. So that is it. So what you have right here? Mom, yeah, not that food.
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, thanks for watching till now. This is our dinner. Jenny Mechiani. Let's see it. Small. So we are eating white rice with sauce. Alex will be eating only white rice, I think. The rest is small. Look, this is baby Alex. So we have my sis, Lizard. Oh, yeah. We're even eating late. This is 8 o'clock, I think. So that is it. Dinner is served for my children, baby Alex. I don't know. So guys, that is it. So tomorrow morning I'll be making meat pie. Tomorrow I'm making 25 pieces of meat pie. So that is it. Continue watching. So guys, this is 7:30. So I'm done with my meat pie. I still have in the oven because today I made 25 pieces. So I still have in the oven. You know, so I have to pack this one now because I'm going to work. So that is it. Let me just show you my crunch meat pie. You know, they can see very well. Yes, can you see? So yummy. So that is it. I'm not supposed to use this solid thing, but the one I'm using is finished. You know, as you can see, this one is very big. This one entire 3 meat pie. You know, I'm using this one in other private things. You know, I'm not supposed to use it. This one is the one I'm taking to African shop. Niger markets. That's where I'm taking my meat pie. You know, it's boom wonderful. On your sleeve, on your leg, and you must say that plus I will be taking it for long, you know, but so that people will know me. Remember, bye bye. Have a nice day. So that people will know me, you know. Even though I'm taking it there, people will know they call, they will book a part. You know, I will make their own. So, it's more mad call. You know, I everybody can may accept, yeah. In a good shop, you're in a whole shop, you a shop, and then you have one, you have one. Even so, people cannot even accept it, yeah. Only women cannot accept it. But she's for me, my one and only, you know. So it's more mad. Because it's not everybody will accept it to meat pie in a shop. It's getting to 5 months or 6 months that I'm taking my meat pie there. And people is calling me. You know? So that is it. So I'm taking this one to African shop. Nigerian market, please go and support her. Go and buy your things there. All whatever. She has every in her shop. Anything African food, you know, go to her shop. And don't let me come all the time. Or you know, one not really some of the Igbo women that is this our modern. So she can't have been a talk. Now about us, now about now. Didn't make business, they make business. Now have a family, you have to West. You have the end of the year. So that is it, guys. So if you stay in Modena, come and book your meat pie. Come and book your small chops. Then why you only just kitchen? Then why you just kitchen? Oh, whatever, look at that. I'm about to find out. And I know that for my But again, I like it because I like it. But what? But keep on pushing. The man, no, why you? It's just, you know, you never do from scratch, from small. Open. In alley. Since you know what you're doing, we are like progress. Yeah? Over Kayoto. So much important. Over Kayoto. Don't think evil. If you're not nobody evil, don't think for another person. You know? Over Kayoto, let me your things. One day, Almighty God will bless you, you know. So over Kayoto. And also be minding your business. Mind their business. So that is it. So I will end the video because it's getting long. So thanks for watching till now. And see you in my next video. Bye. Ciao.